Greetings everyone. Today I'll be guiding you through the process of downloading and installing Diablo IV using the Xbox app on your Windows computer. Let's get started. Firstly, ensure that you have an active Game Pass subscription. Once confirmed, open the Xbox app on your computer.in the search box within the Xbox app, type in the name of the game Diablo IV, and hit enter to search for it. Click on Install to begin the installation process. If Battle.net is not already installed on your computer, you'll be prompted to install it. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to install Battle.net. After Battle.net is installed, you'll be prompted to connect accounts. Click Yes and log in with your Xbox account. If you have a Battle.net account, select Yes and log in. If not, you can create a free Battle.net account. Agree to the terms and conditions, then confirm the connection between your Battle.net and Xbox Game Pass accounts. Once connected, click Continue and proceed with the installation. You can choose the installation location and language preferences as per your preference. Click on Start Install to initiate the installation process. You can monitor the progress of the installation within the Xbox app or through the Battle.net launcher. Once the installation is complete, you can launch the game and start playing Diablo IV. That's it. Thank you for your time. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Happy gaming!